Shalom, welcome to the Baggchain podcast.
I'm Aaron Halevy.
And I'm Rachel Huber. We're going to explain how to get rid of high transaction fees with the Electrum wallet, and the way to do it is by restoring your wallet using the wallet seed.
Yeah, so for those of you who aren't even here because of the fees, but you just want to know how to restore by seed, this is for you because the answer to both problems is the same.
Right, because it's a super common problem with Electrum users. You might have money already in your wallet, but you can't move it anywhere because the transaction fees are so high. But the reason the transaction fees are 50% is because when you set up the wallet in the first place, you opted for the two-factor authentication option, which is expensive. Now you need a less expensive version of this wallet that doesn't take so much money from you every time you make a transaction.
And yeah, so you can fix that by getting a non-two-factor authentication version of the wallet you already have. That's what your seed's for. But then when people try to do that, sometimes the prompts confuse them and they choose incorrectly without realizing it, which leads to this endless loop of repeatedly creating another two-factor wallet that they didn't want.
Yeah, so we're going to show you how to get your standard wallet, because as long as you use your seed, you should still have all the money that you already put into your two-factor wallet, because you can easily give it to yourself without fees. It's like having money in your right hand and putting it in your left hand.
Exactly, so when you fire up the app in the first place, you'll be on the login screen. The first field is for choosing your wallet, which matters if you already have more than one. The other field is for your password, but you'll notice besides these two fields there are also two buttons. One of them says Finish and the other one says Create New Wallet. You want to create a new wallet, so hit the Create button.
Yeah, and you need to deal with this wallet creation process very carefully too, because this is where everybody gets stuck. First, it just prompts you to name the new wallet you're making. That part's self-explanatory, so go ahead and name that, then click Next.
The next prompt gives you 4 options for what kind of wallet to make, and you want to pick the one that just says Standard Wallet. Ignore the other ones.
Yeah, because the way you got into this mess is most likely because when you first created an Electrum wallet, you chose wallet with two-factor authentication, and that wallet's got your money now.
Make sure you pick Standard this time.
Still not out of the woods yet. The next few prompts are the parts people mess up on when they're trying to fix the problem. This next one's asking if you want to create a new seed or create the new wallet from an existing seed.
Or use a master key or use a hardware wallet.
Right, you want to create from the seed you already have. It's going to make you type in your seed next for that and select the applicable seed option.
You can only use whichever seed option allows you to click Next, so don't worry about picking the wrong seed option. You can't.
Then it asks what kind of addresses your wallet has, and you should be able to click a button that detects the kind of addresses in your wallet for you. Then hit Next. The prompt after that is where you make a password for the new wallet.
Yeah, and if you've done everything we just said without deviating, you're now in a new wallet and you see no money in it. So, for everybody who went through this process to be able to maneuver their money without high transaction fees, that money's still in your expensive wallet and you need to move it to this new wallet, which is easy to do. You should have several tabs like History, Send, Receive, Address, yada yada, whatever. Go to the Receive tab. Write something in the description that you'll recognize later as an explanation of what you're trying to do, and then request the amount you have in your expensive wallet, then click Create Request.
Yeah, if you do it that way, you now have to go back to your expensive wallet and answer the request, which is fine. I prefer to just get the new wallet's address and then go to the expensive wallet and use the Send tab to just set up a transfer to my new wallet and hit max for the full amount in my wallet.
Yeah, either way, this is how you get your cash into a cheaper wallet. When you send money from this new wallet to HTX or Binance or whatever, your fees will be negligible, like next to nothing.
Indeed. If you're new to crypto, I also recommend jumping into HODL. It's a Discord server. Link in the description. They post short plays all day, every day. Basically ideas on when to buy and when to sell target coins. If you buy what they say when they say, and then sell what they say when they say, you can make up to $100 a day. Day trading at its finest, just a suggestion.
Yeah, and if you're a more experienced DeFi expert, and you're looking for how to decode new coin offerings before they reach forward-facing exchanges or just more advanced trading tactics, you can learn all that from Marco Wutzer. You might associate that name with Agora. He's got a growing club of both experienced traders and noobs learning how to make their returns even more extreme. If you're interested, we'll put his link down there too. I want to say it's like 40, 50, 60 bucks, somewhere in there, not much.
Boom, so hit subscribe, thumb up the ass, and ring the bell. We deserve it. Signing off.